This one's called Tenuousness. Tenuous at best was all he had to say. Wasn't pressed about the rest of it, the world that is. From proto-Sanskrit Minoans to proto-centric Lisboans, Greeks, Cypriots and Habasats who hang around the ports a lot on. Here's the thing, start getting weird watching this man with scratch the beards on. Chew their minds to sharpen axes, brush up on the Uralic syntax here. Love of hate, axes and axis, love of hate, axes and axis. Oh no, first it wanes and then it waxes. Corporate fudge, he always written, know when to stand, know when to sit. Can't stand to stand, can't stand to sit. And who would want to know this? Click, click, click. Who wants to look upon it? Oh, who wants to look upon this? Seven comes to 3. That us plus 11 comes just shy infinity. And that's for those who live and die for numerology.